Infor Track task codes. We use this form to define indirect labour codes or general task codes. All clock time must be accounted for with a labour record. We use the task codes to account for an employee's time that is not spent working on a direct labour type. Tasks may be configured to post to the ERP system or not to. In order to access the task form, we select the Tasks icon on the Administrator homepage. This brings up the task form. The task code will be used by TimeTrack to identify the task in TimeTrack Labour Capture. Description is how the task code will be referred to in TimeTrack displays. To post indirect labour associated with the task code to the ERP system, set the Post to ERP as Yes. In this case, the ERP task code field will activate. We should then enter a valid ERP indirect labour or general task code. TimeTrack will post TimeTrack indirect task hours to the specified ERP task code. The paid field indicates whether time posted to this task should be paid or not. Unpaid is an option but can have restrictive effects on other automated features. We should always test unpaid configurations rigorously before implementing them. To use the task code, set the task code active to Yes. When active is No, users will not be allowed to book time to this task code. To configure the task code as a general task for a direct labour order type, set general task equal to Yes. This results in additional fields being enabled. We need to enter the direct labour information the general task should post to. General tasks are only supported in elapsed time data capture.